You don't know what it's like to realize you're a terrible actor. I'm the seagull? No, that's not it. Do you remember that seagull you shot? A man comes along, sees her, and destroys her because he has nothing better to do. Subject for a short story. No, that's not it. What was I saying? Oh, yes, the theater. I'm not like that anymore. I'm a real actress now. I enjoy acting. I'm proud of it. The stage intoxicates me. When I'm up there, I feel beautiful. And these days, being back here, walking for hours on end, thinking and thinking, I could feel my soul growing stronger day after day. And now I know, Kostya, I finally understand that in our business, acting, writing, it makes no difference. The main thing isn't being famous. It's not the sound of applause. It's not what I dreamed it was. All it is the strength to keep on going no matter what happens. You have to keep on believing. I believe, and it helps. And now, when I think about my vocation, I'm not afraid of life.